First things first, the easiest solution to try is simply turning off and then turning on your Wi-Fi. Once you're in settings, tap on Wi-Fi and toggle the switch off. Wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Sometimes, this small action is all you need to reconnect to your network. If turning the Wi-Fi off and on doesn't work, the next step is then, locate the network you're trying to connect to. You'll see 3 dots in the upper right corner, tap on that. From here, click on Advanced Setting. Then after that click on Manage Networks. Find your Wi-Fi network, tap on it, and select Forget Network. This will erase the stored settings for this network on your phone. Now, we're going to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. After you forget the network, go back to your Wi-Fi settings and tap on your network name again. Now, you'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi password. Make sure you type it in correctly. Sometimes a typo can cause the connection issue. If you're still having trouble after forgetting and reconnecting, another method that can help is restarting both your phone and your Wi-Fi router.